I'm here with the Nostalgia MyMini Skillet and Noodle Cooker, and I just got back from running some errands. One of the places that I went to was World Market, and I bought 2 pots that I thought would fit perfectly in this MyMini Skillet, so let's check them out and let's see if they fit. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. This is the first pot that I bought. This is World Market cast iron and enamel butter poyer. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's like a little pot that you can melt butter in. It says hand wash with warm water and dry completely. Avoid scourers or abrasive cleaners. Stovetop and oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Safe for all stovetops, including induction. Suitable for use with metal utensils. Always use caution when handling hot cookware. Heavy gauge solid enamel cast iron offers superior heat retention. And this is from World Market. It says made in China. And I guess there's no price tag on it. This is what the bottom of it looks like. This was $19.99. I thought it was a little bit high, but this is a pot that should last a very long time if it's taken care of. And then it also came with these instructions tucked inside and more information on the back. So when I saw this in the store, I thought it would be a good size for the MyMini Skillet. I wasn't 100% certain, so I set off on a hunt for some kind of ruler or tape measure in the store. I could not find one anywhere. So then I just decided to chance it, and I found out that they have a nice return policy, so I was like, okay, I'll just buy it. If it doesn't fit, I'll return it. So here's the MyMini Skillet, and let's see how we do. Look at that. That is like a perfect fit. So now I can use this little pot instead of the non-stick pot that comes with this. The one downside of using this pot is that it is quite heavy. Like, this is not something that is lightweight to travel with. This is not something that I would most likely use if I was traveling with this appliance. This is something that I would use at home because it gives me a nice enameled cooking surface. I don't have to use a non-stick pot. And it also gives me some more space. This is much deeper than the pot that does come with this. I am wondering, however, if the lid will fit on top of this. Here's the lid that comes with the skillet, and I can place it on top like it's not a stable fit or anything, but it can easily serve its purpose just like that. Another pot that I saw there was this small stainless steel small karhai. I don't know how to pronounce that. Karhai. It says 5.2 inches deep times 2.75 inches high. However, the bottom is more narrow than the top, so that's why I thought it would fit. And for care instructions on this, it says hand wash only, and the price is $9.99, and this is made in India. This is what the bottom looks like. And here's the MyMini Skillet. And look at that, we have another very nice fit. I was a little bit concerned about the sides, but the sides fit perfectly inside. There's even like maybe another 1/4 of an inch leeway. So this is really nice. It's a stainless steel cooking surface. It has 2 little handles, and it also gives you more depth to cook with. I've never cooked with one of these before, so it will be interesting to see how that goes. But I just wanted to share this information with you in case you have a Nostalgia MyMini Skillet and are looking for some alternative pots that you can use with that mini appliance. It's a great mini appliance. It only uses about 260 watts, so it's really portable. It's very easy to use it on a portable power bank, and sometimes it's nice to have different types of pots to use with it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel for more information about mini appliances. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.